Folks, this is the Morning Gardener again, and before I leave this store, I'm going to give you a piece and a taste of everything. This right here, what is this right here? Potting mix, all natural. Potting mix, all natural. It feels like a brick. It's probably because it's frozen, and that's $3.65 a bag. We got the, we got this all kind of stuff at Garden Soils. Garden Soils, we got Organic Plus. $11.90 something cents. Let's see what we got. Potting mix. This is something that I make on my own. All of them are frozen right now. Can't see what it is right there. I think it feeds for up to 9 months or something like that, it says. Okay, so right now, okay, here we got something here. Miracle Grow garden soil, vegetable, and herb mix. Supposed to be professionally done. Personally, it is what it is. $7.97 a bag. I'm only telling you this, folks, because it's gardening season almost. Absolutely. Look at this right here. All natural. Nature's care. Let's see now. I don't see anything that I'll be looking for, really. I'll go for the manures. Let's see what we got here. And we're walking out past the items we just saw. That's why you watch the Morning Garden Show. I try to get as much information to you as possible. My upload takes a long time, folks. 2-3 hours, sometimes longer. I don't know why that is, but it does. And we got this is what I usually get. God damn, wait a minute, this can't be right. This can't be right. Hold on, let me see something. Topsoil. Where's it at? Okay, that's something else up here, because this usually goes for $1 and something. And see what we got here. We got the red mulch, which is basically painted wood pallets. Pine bark mulch, $3.33 a bag. And over here, what do we got here? We got Garden Pro, shredded hardwood mulch. Somebody opened their bag. That's what it looks like inside. Okay, we're done. I don't see any manures. So on that note, good people, this is the Morning Gardener, and we're out. And please, if you get time, subscribe.